In this video, I will explain you few percentages questions. So what you mean by percentages is that we consider a particular value out of 100. You are asked to calculate 80% of 30. So how do you write 80% as a fraction is 80 over 100? Of means multiplication. 80% of what? Of 30. So we write it as 80 over 100, which is 80%. Of means the multiplication. 80% of what? 30. This is 30. So what is 80% of 30? That means you cut the zeros off, and that is 24. 80% of 30 is 24. Calculate 3% of 600. How do you write 3%? 3 over 100. Of says to multiply by what? 600. So 3% of 600 is 18. 75% of 300. So 75 over 100 of 300. Let's cut the zeros off. So 75% of 300 is 225. Then work out 98% of 700. So I said that this percentage sign means out of 100, 98 out of 100 into 700. A bag of sugar contains 420 grams. A special offer packet contains an extra 15%. Work out how much extra sugar is in the special offer packet. So the sugar content in the bag is 420 grams. It says 15% is there. 15% is there in as the extra content of the special offer packet. So how do you calculate 15% of 420, which is the extra content of sugar is 63 grams. So in this new special offer packet, you have this 420 grams plus the extra 63 grams. Altogether it has 483 grams. The next question. A new car is priced at 7,500 pounds. In a sale, it is reduced by 20%. Calculate the reduction in price. So how much has it reduced from the new priced 7,500? So the car price is 7,500. From that you have to deduct 20%. So 20% of 7,500 is 1,500. So the reduction of price is 1,500. Originally it is 7,500. From that you subtract this 1,500. So the new price is then from 7,500. When you subtract the 1,500 is 6,000. But what's the question asked here is calculate the reduction in price. So the reduction in price is only 1,500. Next. There are 20,000 fans at a football match. 12% of the fans are women. Work out how many women attended the match. So the total fans in the football match is 20,000. Out of 20,000, only 12% represent women. So 12% of 20,000 is 2,400 women are there in the match. Mary wins 400 pounds. She gives 50% to her mother. Mary gives 20% to her sister. She keeps the rest. Work out how much each person receives. So the total amount Mary won is £400. Out of £400, 50% is given to her mother. So how to calculate the amount that she has given to her mother is 50 over 100 multiplied by 400. So £200 she has given to mother. Then out of this 400, 20% is given to her sister. So that is £80. Barry's salary is £14,000 and he is due to get an increase of 5%. Calculate how much this increase will be. So they are asking the amount of increase from 14,000. How much has increased? So original salary is £14,000. 5% of 14,000 is the increase, which is £700. So the present salary would be 14,700. But what the question asks is only the amount of increase. So 700 is the amount of increase. Harry wants to buy a motorbike that costs £600. He saves 30% of his wages each month. Each month, Harry earns £400. Calculate how many months it will take Harry to save enough money. So you can see Harry earns £400 each month, which he saves 30% out of the earnings every month. So 30% of 400 is 120. So every month he can save £120. The original cost of the motorbike is £600, and if he is saving £120 each month, he has to save 5 months from International Train Station. 35% of trains were late in a week. In that week, there were 440 trains. How many trains were on time? So we can see that 35% of 440 trains is late, which is 154 trains are late. So the trains which come on time, out of the total trains, when you subtract the late trains, you will get the total trains that is on time. So we have 440 trains. Out of that, 35% is late, which is 154 trains are late. And when from our total trains, when you subtract the late trains, you will get 286 of on-time trains. Some students sit an exam. The pass mark is 80%. There are 40 marks in each test. So you can see the marks that they have obtained out of 40. So what I do is I will prepare a table. The first, Martin has obtained 30 out of 40. 30 out of 40. So I have to see what percentage of marks has he obtained. 30 out of 40, I multiplied by 100%, which is 75%. Gina has obtained 35 marks out of 40. 35 out of 40, I want to convert it into percentage. So I have 87.5%. Ricky, 31 marks, 31 out of 40. When I write it as a percentage, it is 77.5%. So Vicky, 8 out of 40. 38 out of 40 multiplied by 100%, it is 95%. And Carl is 29 marks out of 40. 29 out of 40 multiplied by 100% is 72.5%. So you can see in the sum it says the pass mark is 80% or more. So Martin has failed, Gina has passed, Ricky has failed, Vicky passed and Paul failed. So what I have highlighted in red is about 80% who have passed the exams. In my next video, I will discuss about the reverse percentages.